School class! Slideshow! The class has no dogs allowed.
No dogs allowed.
Oh!
I think I saw the new kid. Did you see that food truck arrive? Who do you suppose it will be? The new kid is coming. Oh, that's not the new kid. Hey, Charlie Brown. Good morning, Linus. What do you have there? It's my turn for show and tell today. This is the same plane flown by Manfred von Richthofen. Who? The Red Baron. The most famous aviator during the Great War. It's not real, is it?
No! Oh!
My naturally curly hair!
To class! Hey! Sir!
Two! No, three! Was I close? Class hasn't started yet, sir. Huh? What? The new kid is joining our class. She doesn't look like a goalie to me. Wow, she's pretty. She's not that pretty. Linus. She looked at me.
Oh, don't do this! It's a school class! This is amazing!
Ma'am, will this test accurately reflect the knowledge we have gained here? Is it fair we, at this young age... Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Question 1. If you had 6 red tomatoes and... Oh, red...
Go out to you.
Come on, focus. First impressions are everything.
School class.
Already done? She must be smart. Huh? It's got teeth marks. She nibbles on her pencil like I do. We have something in common.
Class!
1 minute left?
Hey! What is it? Oh!
Write our names? Yes, ma'am.
Well, in school class, Meg went to project.
Hi. I'm Brown Charlie. I mean, Barney Clown. What are you in for? Have you ever had that feeling when you can't stop smiling? Huh? Your heart pounds inside your chest. You try to stand, but your knees become weak. And then that little red-haired girl glances at you. And all of life's possibilities become so clear. And then you realize she has no idea you're alive. Why am I here? Because I just came down with a serious case of inadequacy.
School class.
Botanicals all go.
School class.
Here she comes. This is my chance to make a good impression. Maybe tomorrow. Ow!
School class.
It was a dark and stormy night. High above the French countryside, where World War I flying apes had never been so close to his lifelong enemy, the infamous Red Bear.
School class. Me one. Let's see.